Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Funda family. In this video, I will solve one very interesting problem based on DFT and IDFT. Here, I will calculate DFT of 4 points. After calculation of DFT, I will identify inverse DFT and I will compare results of IDFT and initial sequence. Right. So here one can observe we have 4-point sequence. Right. So here x of n is 1, minus 1, 2, 3. First of all, we need to identify DFT x of k. One should know DFT of x of n, that is x of k, and this x of k, that is a multiplication of weightage matrix with x of n. So here first of all one should know how to write this weightage matrix W4. Let me explain shortcut way. See, to write W4, first of all, you should write 1, 1, 1, 1 4 times and 1, 1, 1 4 times vertically. See, with second row, we should have 1j, 1j. With third row, we should have 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. And with this last row, we should have 1j, 1j. Here, see this triangle and this triangle, that should be negative. So with this triangle, we have minus sign like this. And with this triangle, we should have minus sign. That is how W4 matrix that one can write. Now here, see x of n that is given to us. So that is 1, minus 1, 2, 3. Now simply perform multiplication of these two matrix. So here we will be having first element, that is this row into this column. So that has to be 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 into 2, that is plus 2 plus 1 into 3, that is plus 3. At last I'll perform addition. See second element, that is second row into this column. So 1 into 1, that is 1, plus minus j into minus 1, that is plus j, plus minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2, plus j into 3, that is plus j3. Third element, that will be third row into this column. So 1 into 1, that is 1, minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1, 1 into 2, that is plus 2, minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. And last element, that is last row into this column. So 1 into 1, that is 1, j into minus 1, that is minus j, minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2, minus j into 3, that is minus j3. Right. Now let me write x of k, that is DFT of x of n. So first element, that is 1 minus 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 5. Second element is 1 plus j minus 2, so that is minus 1, and plus j3, that is plus j4. Then third element is 1 plus 2 minus 3, that is 1. And last element is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, minus j minus j3, that is minus j4. And here you can observe this element and this element, that is conjugate to each other. Conjugate of this, that is minus 1 minus j4. This is how one can identify DFT. Here you should understand how to remember this W4 matrix. This triangle and this triangle, that should be negative. Initially write down once vertically and horizontally with first row and first column, then 1j 1j, then once again 1j 1j, and then these two triangles that should be having negative polarity. That is how immediately you can write Twiddle factor matrix, or one can say weightage matrix, and then perform matrix multiplication. Now we need to identify IDFT of this sequence. Let me explain. See, when you want to calculate IDFT, so you will be calculating x of n. That is IDFT of x of k. Now see here, I'll explain you how to solve this simply. So basic equation is 1 by n and then DFT of conjugate of x of k. Right. That is how we will calculate this. And based on matrix multiplication, see if you have 4 points over here, then it is better to use matrix multiplication. Right. So here what we will do is we will calculate 1 by n and this DFT of conjugate, that will be weightage matrix into conjugate of x of k. Right. Here do not forget conjugate of x of k. See, there are two ways. Another way is 1 by n. You can take conjugate of this W4 matrix into x of k1. Both will result into same answer. Either you follow this or you follow this. In my earlier problem, I have solved similar question using this calculation. So in this problem, I'll be solving this IDFT using this calculation. Right. So here 1 by n means 1 by 4. Here we have 4 points. Now let me write W4 matrix again. See W4 matrix, that one can write as per 1, 1, 1, 1. Then 1, 1, 1 vertically. Then 1j, 1j, 1, 1, 1, 1. Again 1j, 1j. And here this triangle and this triangle, that should be having negative polarity. That is how one can remember this W4 matrix. Now here what I'll do is I'll multiply this matrix with conjugate of x of k. So this is x of k, right? Now conjugate of this, that we need to write. So here we have 5. Conjugate means here imaginary component, that should be having reverse polarity. So conjugate of this, that will be -1 minus j4. This 1 will be as it is. And conjugate of this, that is -1 plus j4. See, this is how simply one can write this two matrix. Now simply perform matrix multiplication. So here, see first element, that will be this row into this column. So 1 into 5 plus 1 into -1 minus j4, -1 minus j4, then 1 into 1, then 1 into -1 plus j4, that is -1 plus j4. At last, I'll solve this calculation. Second element, that will be second row into this column. So 1 into 5, that is 5. Then minus j into -1, that will be plus j. Minus j into minus j4, that will be plus j square 4, means -4. -1 into 1, that is -1. Then j into -1, that is minus j. And then j into plus j4. So plus j square 4 means -4. Right. Now third element, that is this row into this column. So 1 into 5, that is 5. -1 into -1, that is +1. -1 into minus j4, that is plus j4. Then 1 into 1, that is 1. Then -1 into -1, that is +1. -1 into plus j means minus j4. Right. Last element will be this row into this column. So 5 into 1, that is 5. J into -1, that is minus j. Then j into minus j4 means minus j square 4 means +4. Then -1 into 1, that is -1. Minus j into -1, that is minus plus j. Minus j into plus j4 means minus j square 4 means +4. Now, if you carefully observe, see this j4 and this j4, that is having opposite polarity. Here this j and this j is having opposite polarity. This 4j and this 4j is having opposite polarity. And this minus j and plus j, that is having opposite polarity. So if you carefully observe, here we have simplified calculation, that is 1 by 4, and this is 5 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So that has to be 4. Then we have 5 minus 1 minus 4, that is 0, minus 4, that is minus 4. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 8. 5 minus 1 plus 4, so plus 4, so that will be 12 over here. So 1 by 4 that you need to perform over here. So we'll be having 4 points. First point will be 4 by 4, 1. Second will be 4 by 4 into minus sign. Then we have 8 by 4, that is 2. Then 12 by 4, that is 3. So you can observe here 1 minus 1 2 3, that is the sequence which we have calculated, and initial sequence was 1 minus 1 2 3. So in earlier solution, what I did was I have followed another calculation. Over here what I have done is I have considered W4 into x conjugate of k. In my previous calculation I have considered 1 by n into W4 conjugate into x of k. Like you see in my earlier calculation of IDFT calculation, 1 by n into x of k into W4 conjugate that I have considered, and we were been having same calculation which we have retrieved after DFT and IDFT, right? So I think now you are having fair enough idea about how to follow this type of calculation. Still, if you have any confusion, just place that in comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.